Hi there. In this video tutorial, we'll be adding and managing add-on services in the POS system. We will walk through an example of a customer purchasing a ring and requesting it to be resized. To begin, navigate to the Sale module in the POS system. Select any product you wish to add to the cart. Once the product is in the cart, locate the Add Service button on the product line and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of available add-on services. In this case, select Size Ring Up 14K. A dialog window will pop up, showing the service's price and a notes field. Enter the details, such as resize ring to size 9, and click OK to confirm. The resizing service will now appear as an additional line item in the cart. In the cart, the service box gives you two options. Remove service deletes the selected service from the cart. Share service allows you to apply the same service to another product in the cart. If you select Share Service, a dialog window will appear. Choose the products you'd like to share the service with and click OK to confirm. This feature is especially helpful when applying the same service to multiple products in a single transaction. Once all services are added and shared as needed, proceed to checkout. The system will automatically mark the order as Pick Up Later since the resizing service must be completed before the customer can collect the item. Additionally, you can print the service job work order from the Sale Options menu to track the service. If you require additional services not listed, you can contact Flawless POS support. Our team will assist in adding and configuring new services to ensure the system remains functional and efficient. And that's it. You now know how to add and manage add-on services in your POS system. With this workflow, you can provide better service to your customers and streamline operations. Thanks for watching.